You're welcome. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create beautiful designs using Canva. So I'm going to head over to Canva. So ensure that you download the app. So here's the app. And then, so these are the designs that I've been able to create so far. So for you, how do you create yours? So here we can see your designed template. And when I click on this three dot, I get to see all of this. I can see home, brand, apps, Canva AI, Ask Canva, and then trash. So we have, so if you want to subscribe for the pro version, you click on this and then you get to try it for 14 days. So I am on the free version. So let's start creating our designs. One of the good things about Canva is that you can create beautiful designs, you can create flyers, you can create resumes, you can create anything, basically anything. So let's click on search template. So what do you want to search for? I'm going to type flyer and then enter. So guys, here are the flyers. So if you have a design in mind, you can go ahead and create. So you see blank, create blank. You can just go ahead and create your blank design. But then if you don't have, you can just click on any one and then edit it. So let's just choose one, for example. But then you want to watch out for anyone that has pro. So the pro means the paid version. And once you click on that, you have to pay for you to be able to have excuse me, for you to be able to have access to that design. So I'm just going to look for, yeah, I'm going to click on this one and then design it. So I'm not going to be doing like the really like plenty design, just a little touch up and we're good. So here I'm going to change. So this is the design you can see here. So anyone you click on, it's going to be highlighted. All right. So now, how do you now edit this design? So for this image, I'll click on it and then you get to see replace. So it means you can replace it with your image. And you can see here the background of this image is the same thing with this one. So but the first thing you want to do whenever you want to add your image is to remove your background. So there's an app for that where you remove the background. So you just go on Google, search for remove background, remove the background, and then I'm going to click on this, click on replace, and then replace that image with my own image. I'm going to use this, okay? So here you can see my image took the background color because I removed the background. So that's what you want to do first. If you want to add an image, ensure you remove your background. So here now I can just fix this. Okay, so I've added my image. Now you can see it's looking really nice. For this to edit it, just come over. So you can see here it has been highlighted. Come over to edit and you can now start editing it. I can just click on, let's just say LinkedIn. Let's say LinkedIn optimization. So you guys, once you click on edit, you get to type in what you want to type. So now I've edited this and then I can just say accelerate your online presence. Click on this, get started. So if you want to edit anything, click on it and then you come over to edit. If you want to change the font, you come over to font, change it to Arimo or change it to Canvas Sans. Let's can see it is changing. Change it to Canvas Sans, and then that's that for the font. If you want to change the style, so here is, just click on H style. So now it is on body. So you want to change it. If you want to change it to heading, to subheading, you want to change it to heading, no. So that's for the text styles. If you want to increase the font size, you can just go ahead and toggle this. All right, and then if you want to change the color, you can go ahead and click on the color. If you want to change the format, if you want to bolden it, if you want to italicize it, if you want to underline it, you can go ahead and do all of that. So I'm just going to undo all of those, and then spacing, if you want to space in your words, So if you want to space in it, if you don't want to, you can just do that. And then just ensure that you so excuse me, ensure that you explore all of these icons. So guys, the next thing, let's just assume we're done with our designs and then we want to download it. So you come over to this part, and then click on it, and then you get to see share link, download Gmail. So if you want to share the link, you can go ahead. If you want to download the image, just go ahead and click on download, and then it shows you the file type. So Canva is going to suggest the file type. So here you can see it is PNG, just suggested, and then the size is there, 1414 by 2000 pixel. So here you want to go ahead and click on download. So now it is downloading our design, and then this is going to save on your gallery. All right guys, so like I said, it is not just limited to only flyers. You can just design anything. So let's say for example, I want to design a resume. I want a resume rather. So what I just need to do is to click on, just type your resume. So over here, I'm going to remove this and then type resume, click on enter, and it's going to show me samples of resume. So you want to go ahead and edit anyone you want. So I can also come here and then say certificate, click on enter, and you get to see several certificates. So if you're a designer, you can go ahead, add your logo, add your signature, and then you're good. If you want YouTube thumbnail, you can also see that. So YouTube thumbnail, and the good thing is it's going to give you the exact file type. So here, anyone you want, just click on it and edit it. So if you want Instagram post, you can just type that, and here see, so it is not limited, anything you want. And if you want to enjoy, if you really want to enjoy it, you can subscribe for the pro version, and then you're good. So guys, this is well good stuff for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any question, do well to drop them in the comment, and I would be so glad to help. All right, bye, and see you in the next video.